Hi guys, Rich here from Jet Power Pressure Washing. We're at this lovely job today. Nice young lady. We're doing her driveway, getting it all spick and span. It's not too bad, but just wants a nice polish up and get it looking fresh once again. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tour and show you what it's all about. So guys, it is a nice block paving driveway. It's already a lovely colour, but there's just plenty of it. So we'll get the old Wilks out today, put it on quite a low pressure because it's not too bad. I mean, there's a few bits of weed, if you can see that around, but nothing too bad. Just generally take off the grime and get it nice and shiny, treat it with a bit of hypo if needed. There's a couple of bits of around here, if you can see that, the bricks that need moving back up, and apologies it's a bit windy. But yeah, I think it's a great job, so we'll get cracking. I've got my young apprentice with me today, my lad Felix, so he's there, look, getting ready. So he's going to help me out today because the schools are on strike, and yeah, there we go. Watch this space. Also with us today is Erica. She's my wife. She's awesome. She does all the very nitty bits of the gardening that we also offer here. So we've got Jet Power Pressure Washing. She's the pressure side of the business, and we also have the Casual Gardening Company. That's Erica coming up behind me now. So she's just going to say hello.
Hi guys. I'm Erica. I like things to be perfect, neat, and I get all the little bits done. So I tell Richard what to do and make sure that everything's perfect when we leave. I think that's me over and out. Thanks guys.
So now what we're going to do is get cracking. Pressure washer's all set up. Felix is behind the camera. Say hello, Felix.
Hi.
He's going to be directing today's video and try not to make the camera fall over. So we're going to crack on and make sure everything is squared away. So we're going to time lapse all of this. Hopefully it's nice and relaxing. Maybe play some nice music for you to relax. Let us know what you think, guys, and don't forget, like and subscribe. we're getting there. It's starting to look pretty good. Done the first bit of the driveway now, so I'm going to use my white tip, my 40-degree tip, and give it a quick rinse down before my young apprentice, young Felix, behind the camera is going to take over. So enjoy. Hi guys, wow, that was an afternoon. It's all done now, it's looking rather sharp. So we've washed down, it took me ages to wash it down, all the mud everywhere. As you can probably see on the road behind me down there. So I'll just give you a quick walk through and that'll be that. So like, subscribe, and I'll see you again for more jet washing fun. So here we go, one finished driveway. There's a little bit more to do out the back, where Erica's working today doing the gardening. As you see, it's just a little bit damp still, but no more weeds. Not sure what the white residue is, but that didn't seem to want to come off with the turbo. So we'll maybe try it again. I haven't put down any hypo or anything like that. I just didn't see the need on this particular driveway. Out the back though, next time, definitely, there's loads. In fact, we'll go and have a quick look round so you can have a see what we got to come. And your little one, you see you've got this pathway to do. They've had a crack at it before. And this one, look at that. Lots of lovely black spot there. Beautiful. Anyway, lovely, beautiful garden. And that's it. Thank you very much. See you again soon.